And finally here. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Good Morning Expat. Here is another exciting video in my weekend getaways from Milan series, and today we are headed to Lake Garda, which is the largest lake of Italy. So let's get started by taking our train from the Milan Central railway station. So now heading to coach number 2. So this trip begins with a 1-hour train ride on the Italo service, which is one of the high-speed train services operated in Italy, and I have taken this train from Milano to Desenzano del Garda, which is a beautiful historic town located close to Lago di Garda, or the Garda Lake as it is called in English, which is the largest lake in Italy. The trains that can go over 250 kilometers per hour are considered high speed in Italy, and there are many services that are operated in this category like Italo, Frecciarossa, etc. And this particular trip that I have taken is on the first class in Italo, which costed me 54 euros to go and come back from Milano to Desenzano del Garda. And it always makes sense to take a look at the first class deals, because sometimes just by paying a few extra euros you can get a seat on the first class, which allows you a better leg room, a bigger leg room. And of course on the first class you also get these goodies for free, so water, refreshing towel. I got a little snack to eat on the way as well, so it's more fun on the first class, of course. And if you compare the prices with the regular second class, sometimes there is not a very big difference, because there are always deals on the first class. And there are several high-speed services operated in Europe, and I have been on many of such trains in Europe, and the highest speed that I have experienced myself is 350 kilometers per hour. That's the highest that I have personally seen, but these trains can easily go up to 400 kilometers per hour as well.
We would like to remind you that it is mandatory to wear a face mask, fully covering mouth and nose for the entire journey. Violations are punishable by the local authorities, and it will not be possible to continue the journey. We would also like to inform you that, for your health and safety, our trains are carefully sanitized. Thank you for your attention.
Finally here. So the beautiful lake that you can see behind me is called Lago di Garda, or Garda Lake as it is called in English, and it's the largest lake in Italy, and it spans across 3 regions: Lombardia, Veneto and Trentino. One of the main attractions around this lake is the fort town of Sirmione. It's an ancient fort town. And another main attraction is Garda Land, which is one of the most famous amusement and theme parks in northern Italy. And the vastness of this lake is definitely the beauty of it that you can see behind me. It spans really even miles away, so it's quite a nice natural escape to be here. And when you live in Milan, when people ask you what do you do to get a natural escape from the hustle and bustle of Milan, the answer is let's hit the lake. So here we are taking advantage of the sunny weekend. It's the month of February and the sun is like out and shining as if we are in the month of April. So the temperature is 21 degrees max, so it's a perfect time, a perfect day to enjoy a visit like this on Lake Garda. And I'm finally here to enjoy this nice slice of focaccia pizza, which is my favorite. And what could be a better location than this to enjoy this fantastic slice of pizza for lunch. And what I've taken is similar to margherita, which is also having scamorza on top with some eggplants and mushrooms. So this is what I'm going to enjoy for lunch with this picturesque scene right next to me that you just saw. So finally here in this beautiful lakeside town of Desenzano del Garda, which is located on the shores of the Lago di Garda or Lake Garda. It is home to the Desenzano Castle, Desenzanino Beach, and also to the Duomo di Santa Maria Maddalena. It is a famous holiday destination, and it's popular among locals and foreigners alike, and no wonder why. Then I found this secret shortcut, of course thanks to the free intelligence services offered by Google Maps. Which led me basically precisely to the castle. The Desenzano castle was built in the 10th century mainly as a defense site, and this 1000-year-old structure offers some of the most breathtaking views of Lake Garda. So the beauty of this lake definitely is its vastness. So like I said, that it spans across 3 regions of Italy, and Desenzano del Garda is close to Brescia. It's in fact located in the region of in the province of Brescia, and I could actually travel here today because Lombardia is still in the yellow zone, so it is allowed to travel between towns and cities as long as they are within the same region. I could not, for example, I was not allowed to go to another town which was located, for example, in Veneto or in Trentino, for instance. And like I said, the vastness of this particular lake is the very beauty of it, and when you look at it, it doesn't seem like you're looking at a lake. The effect is more like as if you are looking at the sea, if you can see what I mean behind me. And the feeling is similar to what you get when you are standing in the Bosphorus in Istanbul, for example. So you can see all the small towns and the entire skyline and the mountain ranges around the lake, and it's a similar feeling that you get in Istanbul, for example. And it's so vast that it feels like as if you're standing in front of the sea, if you're standing on the seaside. So it's fantastic. A major site of archaeological importance is the Roman villa, which was discovered in 1921 during excavations and was built starting from the late 1st century BC. So as you can see, basically you need to pre-book a visit over here, obviously because of the COVID situation. So in case you don't want to be unprepared like me, keep in mind that the last admission to the villa is at 1:40 in the afternoon, and then of course slots have to be pre-booked, and the full price of the visit is €4. This lake is far from calm and serene. In fact, the water is gushing with energy and gives you a seaside-like feeling. It's one of those places which make you realize how small you are in front of nature. Now time to get back to Milano on the train in the direction of Genova. This is the train Italia Frecciarossa. So coming to the lakeside is one of my favorite weekend activities, and if you want to check out more such videos on lakeside weekend visits, do check out the link hovering on top of this screen. And if you liked watching this video on Lake Garda, do hit the like button, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and please do subscribe to my channel Good Morning Expat.